lunch while I sit outside close to the area where I was painting. Have some lunch, some leftovers that my mom cooked. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to do a Walmart haul of the things that me and my mom picked up today. Just some major essentials. Excuse the light is going out. Just some major essentials and just some fun things that I picked up today from Walmart. I just said that. So the first thing I got was some Vaseline for just dry spots on my body or my elbows or whatever. Some Neosporin. Some Pond's for my face, another pumpkin spice Airwick, 2 peroxide sprays for cleaning. I wanted to try cleaning with these. Some foaming bath from Dr. Teal's, sleep bath with melatonin and essential oils. Some hydrogen peroxide just for any type of cuts or sores or anything like that. Myella some toothpaste, our deodorant that we use, the toothpaste that we use, which is the Hello Active Charcoal. It doesn't have fluoride in it, so we like that one. Some razors that I probably use like once a month, some chapstick, new toothbrushes, and some rubber bands for my Ella's hair that I use sometimes. Some Jergens hydrogen coconut. I have some the cherry blossom, but Jaleesa does not like the smell of it. My Ella some bath bombs. She really liked these, and these smell really good. I just don't use them, but she uses them to play with, of course. A brush, scrubbing brush for the floors. I like to get in between the cracks and get stuff out of it. Some little boots for fall pictures for Myella on Saturday. I got the Lysol brand new day cleaning solution. It says for toilets, but I use it in my sink, in my bathtub. I use it for really bathroom. Some shampoo. I have the same conditioner that I got a couple days ago, but I needed the shampoo. Also, some cleaning vinegar, of course. I mix it with some tea tree essential oils, and I wipe like the counters down. Just another cleaning thing. I just like to have cleaning stuff that I can clean with. Some hand soap for hands and some alcohol. Some Cantu natural for natural hair coconut curling cream. Some Lysol disinfectant spray. 2 boxes of fabric sheets. Some Lysol Clean and Fresh multi-surface cleaner. 2 things of medicine for Myella because the weather is changing and you have to have these on deck. Some Band-Aids, some Dove soap, some pads and laundry soap, fabric softener, and paper plates. And that is it.